Hi everybody, welcome back to Model Car Minions Workshop. I'm Steve, and this is my contribution to the Carolina Man Tribute Group build. It's the Revell Snap-Tite 2010 Ford Mustang convertible kit. This is what comes in the kit. And after cleaning it all up and preparing it for the build, and just as a reminder, I'm building this to represent the Mustang that Cliff had in the shape it was in at the time of his death. I noticed Cliff's car had a light gray interior, but in order to highlight some of the details on the interior, I decided to use some artistic license and go with a two-tone. I blackwashed the lug nuts on the wheels and highlighted the center cap, and then sanded the tires to give them a worn look. To begin using craft acrylics, I brushed on some silver on the transmission and mufflers and some gunmetal on the exhaust system and the drive shaft. To do a little rusting on the undercarriage and the drivetrain and exhaust systems, I just basically use a brick red, Craft Smart colors, a bit of burnt orange, take a little piece of a sponge off of an old paintbrush, and on the tweezers, and I dip it in the paint and just kind of dab it on, dab it around, dip it in the other color, dab it around, and then I haven't done it yet, but a very little touch of yellow just here and there, and just really makes it pop. And wanted to get everything just looking a little bit like it's been sitting out in the yard for a while. So this is what it looks like with a bit of the yellow added in, and I just dabbed it on and smudged it around with a bit with my finger, so it didn't look like just spotted on there. And don't forget, once it's dry, spray a light coat of matte clear on it just to seal it all up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the final reveal.